We have a new design that we've been using, and this has been approved by a wide variety of hospitals as well. So any type of face shield that you can create is going to be really helpful. This new design involves window sealing fabric. This is a 3/4 inch window sealing, rubber. This is a rubber gasket. We use that in combination with a single rubber band, and we can use a whole bunch of other supplies as well if we want to, but these are things that we are using right now. It has an adhesive back. And the last bit is we've got these clear binding covers, and these clear binding covers are 5 mil in thickness. They're called a 5 mil clear binding cover. We can use a whole bunch of different plastics as well. I ordered some marine grade plastic. It's really important that we start to make these guys right now, because if we wait and supply chains change, it's going to be even harder to get these out. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this bit. I'm going to measure it out, and I've already punctured some holes on the sides. So I'm going to measure this guy out real fast. You don't even have to get scientific with it. You can literally just place it down on the side. I'm using kid scissors right here. I mean, this is literally meant to be anything that you can grab around you to do this. I'm going to take this guy, I'm going to peel the plastic back from it, and it already has this nice little rounding to it, which is very helpful. And then once I place that guy down, this will be stuck on permanently. I've already punctured 2 holes. Ideally you have a 2-hole puncher. I'm waiting for that one, or a hole puncher. I'm waiting for that to come in. In the meantime, I'm using a pencil to puncture a little hole on the side. And once you take that rubber band, you cut it in half. This is an 8-inch rubber band, I believe, so kind of just look at how it measures around your head. And what you're going to want to do is take that rubber band and just do a little quick tie on the side. Once you've made that tie, it'll prevent the rubber band from going through the hole, unless the hole is too big. And then you're going to do the same thing on the other side. If you're going to fasten one side permanently, I would just do one side. That is because with this design, whoever receives this can actually adjust this to the size of their head. And then with that, plus the rubber band, I have a face shield that will not fog up. It works real well. I mean, this is as cheap as it gets, as fast as it gets. I can move around. It's not going anywhere. If you want to do a little extra service, you can cut that around the corners so that they don't get in the way. This is the updated prototype design. We're creating as many of these as we can right now. These are very much in need. Any that you can produce would be super helpful. Thanks, guys.